Yes, viewers, in this video we will solve worksheet 3, which is related to unit 3, 4 and 5. So complete the given statements with true and false, and these chapters are related to like collection of data as well as area and volume. So and then we will see a little bit about bid mass later on. So the first question is data collected by yourself is called primary data. That is true. The data collected by your teacher or from internet are called secondary data. This is also true. And any value which is countable. So the data that can take only specific distinct values which are countable called discrete data. So remember how to make a difference between discrete data and continuous data. All the values which are measurable like length, or you can say that weight, so these type of are the value which comes in decimals or called continuous data, whereas the value which are countable are called discrete data. For example, number of pages in the book, the number of people who are watching the football match. So these are the examples of discrete. I hope so it is clear. Last question of true false is circumference of circle, which is equal 2 pi r, and remember the circumference of circle is same as the perimeter of circle, and it includes the outer curved length of a circle, so that is 2 pi r, so this is correct. And the last question is bid mass, which stands for bracket, and this is division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, so this is also correct. These are the key points will help you to understand these units: circumference of circle, perimeter of semicircle, curved length of semicircle, perimeter of quadrant, how to find curved length of a quadrant, and area of circle, area of semicircle, arc length, sector area. All formulas are mentioned here. So I hope so these formulas will help you choose the correct answer. So evaluate the following. So if we try to figure it out first, which is equal 36 over 3 and minus 4 multiplied by 2, 8. So which means 12 minus 8 gives us 4. So first answer is correct. And if we check this one by substituting 6 plus 4 whole square over 5. So 6 plus 4, 10. 10 square gives us 100 multiplied by 6. 600 over 5, so 12, so 120. 120 is the correct answer. If we check the next, area of a circle when r is 10. So this is the formula of area of circle, pi r squared. So pi r is 10 square, which means 100. So 100 multiplied 3.14. That means 314 point something, but so 314 will work for us. And next, a bicycle wheel has the diameter 75. So calculate the length of its circumference. So we know the formula of circumference is pi d as well. 2 pi r will work also. So here pi d is okay for us. Then and diameter is given, which is 75. So if we check in calculator, the shift pi multiply by 75, that gives us 235.6. So this is 235.6. That means this is the correct answer. Next, question number 3. Calculate the perimeter of these shapes. Give your answer to one decimal place. So remember that when we are looking the perimeter, we must know the outer lengths of the given shape. So in this case, when we try to find the curved length of perimeter, we need this formula pi r. And here down is a kind of rectangle, so opposite sides are same. So once we, and remember this whole length is 6, so half of 6 is 3. It means r is 3. And when we write perimeter, that means 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus pi r. That means 8 plus 8, 16 plus 6, 22. And r is 3. So next we can check shift bar multiplied 3 gives us what? So this is 22 plus 9.4, and once you add in 22 it gives us 31.4, so one decimal place, and it is in centimeter. I hope so it is clear. Next is a quadrant of a circle. So when we try to find the perimeter of quadrant, we again need to know all the outer lengths. So and then we add all the outer lengths. The total outer length distance is called the perimeter. So this side is 10, which represent r as well. As the curve length of semicircle is pi r, so this is the half of pi r. That means pi r over 2 will work for us. So if I write the formula for this shape, it is 10 plus 10 plus pi r over 2, so which is equal 20 plus pi r is 10 over 2, which is equal 20 plus 5 pi, and 5 pi is equal 15.7. So 20 plus 15.7 gives us 35.7. 35.7, and it is in centimeter. I hope so it is clear. So next question is 4. Here, a circle of diameter 20 centimeter has two circles of diameter 10. A cut from it as shown. Calculate the shaded area. So if we try to find area of the large circle first, area of large circle, that gives me formula for pi r squared, and it is equal r for large is 10, means 10 square, which is equal 100 pi 314, and they want you can write one decimal place as well. So 100 multiply shift pi gives us 314.2, and then next it is in centimeter square as well. Area of two small circles. So there are two small circles. Again, the area to find circle, it is pi r square. So that means 2 multiply pi r. If are small, it is 5 centimeter. So 5 square, which is equal 5 5s are 25. 25 multiplied by 2, 50. 50 pi. So if we check 50 pi, that gives us 157.1. And then as we are looking the shaded area, so lastly the shaded area is equal 314.2 minus 157.1, 157.1. I hope so it is clear. Now we'll calculate the area and circumference of given circle. So for area, as you can see that the radius is given, so area is easy. If you know the formula pi r square, just replace the value. R is 88 square, and then we just straight away check in the calculator. 24,328.5 centimeter square. And circumference, as we know the radius, so 2 pi r means 2 pi r is 88. So means 8 to the 16, 8 to the 16 plus 176 pi, which is equal 552.9 centimeter. Next question number 6. So this is related to order of operation, unit 5. So when x is equal to 6, evaluate the following expression. So we straight away replace the value of 6. 6 plus 4 whole square over 5 minus 16 minus 6 over 2. This is 6 bracket open 10 whole square over 5 minus 10 over 2, which is equal 10 square is 100. So 600 over 5 minus 5. So this is 120 minus 5, which is equal 115. And the next one, we also check at x is equal to 6. So 3 into 6, 18 plus 2, 6 into 2, 12 minus 2 here, 5 into 6, 30 over 3 whole square. And then 18 plus 2 gives us 20. Multiply by 10 and minus 30 divided by 3 gives us 10, and 10 square gives us 100. So it is 200 minus 100, that is equal 100. The diagram shows a spiral made from 5 quadrants of different size circle joined together. The radius of smallest quadrant is 1 centimeter. The radius of the adjacent quadrant doubles in size each time. So remember this one. For example, if the radius, the smallest quadrant is 1, then this would be 2, this would be 4, this would be 8, this would be 16, like that. And let's see what they want in the first. So calculate the area of the spiral, give your answer to correct to nearest whole numbers. So if we check the area first, so how to find the quadrant area? So we must know the formula, which is, remember the area of circle equal pi r square, area of semicircle is equal pi r square over 2. So area of quadrant, which is the fourth part of circle, is pi r square over 4. So that will work for us. So we are looking the total area, fine. So total area equal, now we have 5 quadrants, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it means each time we use same formula, pi r square over 4 plus pi r square over 4, pi r square over 4, pi r square over 4, and pi r square over 4. So if I replace the values, first time r is 1, then 2, then 4. Each time it is double, okay? 8 and then 16. So 1 square gives us 1 over 4, and then pi r is now 2. 2 square gives us 4 over 4, and then pi r is 4. 4 square gives us 16 over 4. I'm doing a little bit directly this question. So pi, next 8. 8 square means 64 over 4, and then pi 16. 16 square gives us 256. 256 over 4, and next step it is pi over 4 plus cancel pi 4 and 4, so pi plus 4 pi, and then we have 4 can cancel 64 by multiplying 16, so 16 pi, and then 256 divided by 4 gives us 64 pi. So remember, if we add all except the first, which is in fraction, the rest all gives us 64 plus 16 plus 4 plus 1 gives us 85 pi. 341 over 4 pi. Or we can say that this comes what? Multiply by pi. It gives us 267.8. 267.8. So we are looking in integers answer. So this is 268 centimeter squared. I hope so it is clear. Next, we are looking calculate the total perimeter of spiral. Give your answer to nearest whole number in centimeter. So first, remember in perimeter, we add to know, or we must know this is 1. This is also 1. Actually, it is 2, but we are looking the outer length, okay? This is 1. This full is 4. So I will add 2. This is 4. And this is 8. This is 16. This is pi r over 2. Pi r over 2. Pi r over 2. Pi r over 2. And 5 times pi r over 2. So it means perimeter equal what? perimeter equal 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16, and 5 times we will add pi r over 2. Pi r over 2 plus pi r over 2 plus pi r over 2 plus pi r over 2. So one time more. So if we add the first, like 1 plus 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 16 is plus 16, 32. And then next you just replace the value of r. Each time it will be double. So it is pi over 4 or pi over 2 straight away. And then r is, for this case, r is 2. So that means pi into 2 over 2. And then pi into 4 over 2. Then pi into, that we can write next. Next pi 8 over 2. Then pi 16 over 2. And now we will simplify 32 plus pi over 2 plus pi plus 2 pi plus 4 pi and plus 8 pi. So this is 32 plus pi over 2 plus 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15. So 15 pi, which is equal 32 plus 15 to the 30, 31 over 2 pi. And if we check in the calculator, it gives us 31 over 2 gives us 15.5 multiplied by pi gives us 48 point. So this is 32 plus 48.7, which is equal 81 centimeter. I hope so it is clear. Thank you for watching.